In this video, I am going to show you how to disable Gemini in Google Chrome. So first of all, you can turn off or hide the main Gemini and Chrome features, but Google currently gives you separate control rather than one button that completely removes every Gemini feature from Chrome. So first of all, just go and open your Chrome or Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner. From there, make sure to go at the bottom and select settings. From here, you will find yourself this option. So from this menu as example, on the left, make sure to go and select AI innovations. Once you do that, you will find yourself here. So you'll find here as example, Google search AI models and connected apps. If you are signed in, as an example, you'll find everything here and you will find skills in Chrome. So skills allow you to easily reuse prompts for repetitive tasks. Of course, you can click on it as example and when on, so where you can build your own or add from the skill library, use them alongside other Gemini features in Chrome. And of course, things to consider. So tab titles and URLs are sent to Google when you are skilled. Skills are saved to the Google account. So of course, you can turn it off from here. And you have this skills gallery as an example, but of course, you'll be able to see it again if you are logged in into your account. And of course, if you don't want to keep looking for it here, you can just go to the top right here and type Gemini, hit the enter button, and as you can see, you'll find two search. So you'll find skills in Chrome, and you'll find inside this example manage search engines. This search engine example is just the site search. If you want to use this example for your search engine, you can add it or you can remove it. That's not what you want. And skills in Chrome as example, you already turn it off. Of course, for some Google Chrome features or versions that might be newer than this, you might find even once you click on AI innovations, you might find as example Gemini and Chrome. You can just go and click on that, and on that page, you'll find the main settings inside Gemini. So you can turn off anything that you'll find in there, like the preferences, and you should be good to go as well. So that's how you disable basically Gemini and Chrome. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.